This video goes along with your setting a monthly budget activity that's in your binder. So for this activity, your goal is to still have money left over in your bank account at the end of each month, which is going to be your savings. So what I need you to do right now is I want you to choose a profession. You're either going to be an accountant, an animator, an architect, a computer scientist, or an interior designer. And then you're going to pick your salary. So for example, and you don't have to do this, I'm just giving you an example. If I want to be an accountant, I would write accountant here. And then I'm going to write the monthly salary for the accountant is $3,612.17. Now that you've picked a profession, you're writing the profession on the line, the amount that the profession earns in the salary. The next category is going to be your cell phone plan. So you can either get a Verizon cell phone plan with 4 gigs of internet, a Sprint cell phone plan, or an AT&T cell phone plan. Now you have to see what each plan offers you. You don't have to have a cell phone plan if you don't want a cell phone plan. But you can pick one of these. Now this goes in on your chart. If you find cell phone plan over on the left-hand side, you're going to write the amount right across from the cell phone plan. So you're going to pick one of those and write the amount in the blank space beside cell phone plan. Food, you need to choose one of these. Food is near the top. It's the second one down. In the categories. So over in the blank space, you either need to say, I'm going to spend $200 a month and cook my own meals. I'm going to eat once a week, and I'm going to spend $325. So that's once a week eating out, or buying lunch every day, and that's going to be $450 a month. So you have to decide what you want to do for that one. You can pick any one that you like. Remember, you're writing this in beside the blank space where the food is. The next one is rent, and rent is that first space up on the top. Do you want to get a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, or a 1-bedroom with 1 bathroom and a balcony? Now, you're not going to have any roommates. This is you living on your own. So what do you want your rent to be? You can choose any of those. The next thing you need to pick is your car payment. Are you going to buy a used car, or are you going to buy a brand new car off the lot? It doesn't matter what kind of car it is. You're just determining, do you want a used car or a new car? And if you look under car payment, you put that in the blank space, but then underneath that it says gas for your car is $59.99. So you're going to have to take that into account. Whether you buy used or new, you're still going to spend $59.95 on gas. So we'll factor that in. Having fun. And you don't have to do any of these things. You can just kind of hang out at your house. So do you want to go out and have fun once a month, 4 nights a month, or 8 nights a month? And the having fun is at the very bottom with optional beside it. So if you don't want to do any of those things and you just want to kind of hang out at your house and watch movies, you're just going to put 0 in that category. The next one is TV and internet, and this is also optional. You don't have to have TV and internet if you don't want to. Some people would prefer to stream on their phone, but just remember, if you're just streaming on your phone, you kind of need internet in order to do that at home, unless you're going to use your data plan. So do you want to do Verizon, do you want to do Comcast, or do you want to do DirecTV? And you're going to write that in with TV and internet where it says optional. So what you're going to do now is you should have a number written in each of the blank spaces on the right-hand side column. And you're going to add all those up, and you're going to determine your monthly expenses. So once you add those up, that's your monthly expenses. But then you're going to subtract your expenses from your salary to see how much is left in your savings. And you can write your savings at the bottom of that page. And if you finish and the person beside you finished, you can kind of have a competition to see who was able to put more money in savings that month. So that's it for this activity.